Hello, I'm Val. This is Uptown Swing, Improvisation months. In the beginning, we spent a little bit more time on changing the timing of different moves, and we worked on this very specific task. Take one move, make up a little rhythm choreo for 4/8 out of it, but make it very clear and repeatable so you could teach it to your friend. We partnered up with friends. So for example, something that I did was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ba ba da, ba ba da, ba ba da, ba ba da, ha, ba, ba, ba. And then I could repeat it again. Boo, boo, ba, ba, and so on. So that's what we did first. Then we played around with shapes of these moves. So a lot of these moves we know as like, we do it like this. But who said that you can only do it this way? You can move around with it, turn, or travel, pa, pa, do different things. Same with something like boogie forward, pa, ba, pa, ba, boogie back. But you can do it to the side, to the other side, in circle. So all of these things are possibilities that we explored. And then at the very end, we started working on taking two moves and smooshing them together into 1/8. For example, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that was one example. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Or then you just threw moves at me. So we did, for example, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll continue with that next time. And for now, bye.